the last few pieces to do. Now finally I got delivered these figures and also another building. And here's the building, and I've already painted it and weathered it. So I've sprayed it 3 different colours, grey, black and brick red, and I've also added some streaks to it with a brush, a wash. So that is a mixture of spraying and brush techniques. Now I need to seat these buildings onto the layout with rubble, and this is a very important part of the process. I've got one of these. It's a VHO 360 and it takes an SD card, a micro SD card. You then plug it in and that goes into a USB slot which you can put into one of these plug adapters and plug that in. And then what this does, it plays sounds. Now I've put a yellow dot for the increased volume. And as you can see, it's playing a soundtrack that I've recorded onto the SD card. One other thing I've done is I've printed out and laminated some information sheets, just brief things for people to read about the layout. So Explode is nearing completion. I've got to put these figures on the layout now. I've also got to put on the back scene. And then after that I've got to put on some foliage in the form of trees, which are twigs, and also some lichen, perhaps, if it looks okay. And then I think the layout is pretty much complete.